Welcome to Reading with Renee. Today's story is Leila, the Perfect Witch, written by Flavia Z. Drago. Far and wide, Leila Wayward was known for being an extraordinary little witch. She lived with her Baba and three big sisters, Adelpha, Fur, and Lucy, in their cozy gingerbread house. She was always the fastest flyer, the most cunning conjurer, the sneakiest shapeshifter, and the craftiest carver in her coven. For each of her talents, Leila had won a trophy, but she was saving a special spot for the most important one of all. Her dream was to win the magnificent witchy cake-off.
Don't worry, Basil. This is going to be easy peasy.
After all, Leila was the youngest in a long line of powerful women who were experts in the dark arts of patisserie. And this year, she was finally old enough to enter the competition. But much to Leila's surprise, baking wasn't such a piece of cake. Of course, Leila wasn't going to give up.
I want to be as good as everyone in my family,
she thought.
Leila, want to chase fairies and forage for mushrooms?
But if she wanted to win, there would be no time to go out and fly, no time for carving pumpkins, and definitely no time for fun. Leila was, after all, a particularly determined witch. Finally, after a lot of research, Leila found the perfect recipe.
Mix the mandrake and nightshade. Now blend it with the wool of bat. For a cake of powerful taste, watch it bubble and let it bake.
And after a lot of experimenting and hard work, she was about to make the most magical disaster!
Oh, Basil, my family will be so disappointed in me. I'll never be a true Wayward.
But as it turned out, good sisters will always be there, especially when you need them the most.
Take a deep breath.
Let's count to 10.
And try again.
Fur showed Leila her best tricks for sifting and mixing. Lucy helped her whip the cream. And Adelpha taught her everything about decoration techniques. But most importantly, they all had so much fun. Finally, the night of the magnificent witchy cake-off had arrived. The judges and contestants were ready.
Good luck, darling, and have a blast.
Leila put on her chef's uniform, and off she went. Little by little,
take a deep breath. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And try again.
She got there. Leila made it to the final. And now, the winner is Fastest Gray. So, in the end, Leila didn't win that trophy.
We are so proud of you.
But losing wasn't as terrible as she'd imagined it to be. And you know what? When she was having fun, she felt like a winner. Plus, there was one thing that all the Waywards would always be extraordinarily good at: eating cake together. I hope you enjoyed this story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out my channel for some other stories. And until next time, this is Reading with Renee.